Hey everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today we'll be checking out the Packet Reveal Hanging Toiletry Kit. It's built with this top hook, so you can hang it on any towel rack or doorknob. It has tons of pockets inside, allowing you to organize all of your toiletries, including this elastic pocket up top, which is great for smaller bottled items like shampoos and lotions. This other top pocket, which is great for longer items like your toothbrush and toothpaste. This mesh zippered pocket, and the lower zippered pocket only opens halfway, so you can access your larger toiletries without them falling out. All the zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about split zippers or overstuffing. Also, it has these awesome climbing rope inspired pulls, making the zippers super easy to grab and giving it a fun outdoor aesthetic. The main body fabrics are made from 100% recycled post-consumer material, and they're even washable and water resistant, making it great for those accidental shampoo or lotion explosions. The Packet Reveal Hanging Toiletry Kit is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty. It's a must-have whether you're headed out for a short trip or an extended stay.